Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's lesson is about practicing mixed tenses in English by describing an exciting weekend. Learning mixed tenses helps you speak more naturally because real conversations use past, present, and future tenses together. This lesson will help you improve grammar accuracy, speaking fluency, storytelling skills, English confidence. Listen carefully. Repeat the sentences. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Let's begin. Describing an exciting weekend. Last weekend was one of the most exciting weekends of my life. On Saturday morning, I woke up very early because my friends and I had planned a short trip to the mountains. The weather was cool and sunny, so everyone felt happy and energetic. After eating breakfast, we packed our bags and left the city by car. While we were driving, we listened to music and talked about our favorite memories. The roads were beautiful, and we saw green trees and small villages along the way. When we arrived at the mountain area, we immediately started hiking. I had never seen such amazing natural scenery before. The air felt fresh, and the environment was peaceful. Many people were taking photos and enjoying the view. At lunchtime, we sat near a river and ate homemade food together. While we were eating, one of my friends told funny stories, and everyone laughed loudly. I realized that spending time with good friends creates wonderful memories. Later in the evening, we watched the sunset from the top of the hill. The sky turned orange, pink, and purple. It was one of the most beautiful sunsets I had ever seen. On Sunday morning, we visited a small local market near the village. I bought handmade souvenirs and tasted traditional food for the first time. The local people were friendly and welcoming. Before returning home, we promised that we would plan another trip soon. Next month, we are going to visit a beach town together. I am already feeling excited about that future trip. Now, whenever I think about last weekend, I feel grateful and happy. It reminded me that life becomes more enjoyable when we spend time with nature, friends, and new experiences. Open book mixed tense explanation. In this story, we used past tense for completed actions. Example, I visited the market. Present tense for feelings and facts. Example, I feel grateful and happy. Future tense for upcoming plans. Example, we are going to visit a beach town. Using mixed tenses makes your English sound more natural and fluent. Shadowing practice. Now repeat these sentences with me. Last weekend was very exciting. We were driving through the mountains. I feel happy when I remember the trip. Next month, we are going to travel again. Traveling creates beautiful memories. Excellent clapping hands. Open book extra practice paragraph. Describing experiences is a great way to practice English grammar and speaking skills. Mixed tenses help learners talk naturally about past experiences, present emotions, and future plans in one conversation. Storytelling also improves vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence. Regular speaking practice helps English learners communicate more comfortably and clearly in real-life situations. The more you practice describing your daily life and experiences, the more fluent your English becomes. Clapperboard ending. Great job clapping hands. Today, you practiced mixed tenses by describing an exciting weekend. Backhand index pointing right practice speaking about your own weekend. Backhand index pointing right use past, present, and future tenses together. Backhand index pointing right keep improving step by step. Pushpin also watch our old videos for more English practice. Thumbs up like the video. Speech balloon comment, best weekend. Bell subscribe to Wordivo English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.